I have to tell you about this unicorn. It looks just like my favorite unicorn plush toy. Her name is Twinkleberry, and she's the most magical unicorn in the whole world. She has the softest, fluffiest fur, and a sparkly rainbow mane that glows in the dark. Every night, she sleeps right next to me and keeps me safe from bad dreams. But did you know that Twinkleberry has her own magical story? One night, when I was getting ready for bed, I hugged Twinkleberry super tight and wished that I could visit the magical land where she's from. I didn't really expect anything to happen, but as soon as I closed my eyes, something amazing did. Suddenly, I was standing in the middle of a beautiful meadow filled with flowers that sparkled like tiny stars. And right in front of me was Twinkleberry. But she wasn't a toy anymore, she was a real, living unicorn, and she was even more beautiful than I imagined. Twinkleberry told me that she had brought me to the Enchanted Meadow because there was a special adventure waiting for us. She said that the flowers in the meadow were losing their sparkle because a dark cloud had appeared in the sky, making everyone feel scared and worried. The flowers only shine when the creatures of the meadow are happy, but lately, everyone had been too afraid to come out and play. "We have to bring back the sparkle," she said. "But we need to find the magical rainbow crystal hidden deep in the Whispering Woods. It's the only thing that can make the dark cloud go away." I was a little scared, but Twinkleberry nuzzled me with her soft nose and told me that as long as I believed in myself, I could do anything. So, I climbed onto her back, and off we went, galloping through the meadow and into the dark, twisting woods. It was spooky at first. There were strange shadows and rustling leaves everywhere, but Twinkleberry's mane glowed brightly, lighting up the path. I felt so safe with her by my side. We finally found the rainbow crystal in the middle of a huge, old tree. It was shining with all the colors of the rainbow. I reached out and touched it, and as soon as I did, the whole forest lit up with bright colors. The dark clouds started to disappear, and a warm, golden sunlight filled the sky. The flowers in the meadow began to sparkle again, even brighter than before, and all the creatures came out of hiding. There were butterflies, bunnies, and even a few fairies, all laughing and dancing around. They were so happy that we had brought the light back. Twinkleberry told me that the most important magic wasn't the rainbow crystal at all. It was my bravery and kindness that made the darkness go away. When I woke up the next morning, I was back in my bed, hugging my Twinkleberry plushie. I don't know if it was just a dream or if it really happened, but I like to think that Twinkleberry took me on a real adventure that night. Now, every time I feel a little scared or nervous, I remember our journey and how we made the flowers sparkle again. It helps me feel brave because I know that, just like Twinkleberry said, if you believe in yourself, you can do anything, even face the darkest clouds. So whenever I have a bad dream, I hug Twinkleberry close and remember that adventure. She's my magical friend who keeps the bad dreams away and reminds me that being kind and brave can make everything better. Maybe one day, you'll go on your own magical adventure too.